to Taco Bell. I got the Supreme Lux box. It comes with the 5-layer bean burrito, a cheese gordita, taco supreme chalupa, and nachos. So that's that. And then I also got a Baja Blast. I'm gonna go ahead and eat. You get it? It's all clean now. Now let's head over and dry it off. I did go to Dollar Tree and I bought some microfiber cleaning towels. It comes with 2. And then I got this, I don't know, California scent cool gel. I think it's in the, yeah, it's in the scent cherry. So I got these 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drive over to where they dry up the cars, because I know that there's other people trying to wash up their cars. And I'm gonna go over here. We should be good right there. I don't know, my car brakes. Put you guys right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open these and start drying up the car. It comes with 2. I'm gonna go ahead and dry up the car. So this is the backpack that I ended up getting. It's this black and silver Michael Kors backpack. Super, super nice. So cute. And in the back, it's all leather. And I already took out like all the stuffing. It's really spacious. What I wanted a nice backpack with a lot of space. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in the school supplies, because it's almost time for me to go. So I just have the white folder. Oh my god, it does fit. Yes. That's all I wanted. And then I'm gonna put in the 5 subject notebook. Come on, man. Look how beautiful. Are you going in there? Oh my god! Oh my goodness, this makes me so happy. It fits perfectly in there. Like, it even has more space. Like, the notebook inside the backpack looks little, but you know, but in reality, those notebooks are really big. And then I'm just gonna put should I put the entire pack? No. Alright, can I just put it on the front? Yeah. I'm gonna put in this entire pack in here. And then I'm gonna put the black pens, my gum, and I bought a sweater just in case because the classroom's gonna be getting cold. And that I'm gonna be putting in my emergency kit in here. It's just pads, makeup, hand sanitizer, all that good stuff. Some perfume, and we should be ready to go. But I need to hurry up because the shuttle is about to get here and I need to put everything I need in this backpack. But I'll see you guys once I'm in the classroom or start heading inside the building. Oh, do you guys see the shuttle right there? Yeah, I need to go. Bye guys. Alright you guys, so I'm almost finished. I just need to put on some lip gloss, but this is literally how the hair came out. It's so beautiful. I'm obsessed. And the makeup, I love it. Very nice. So yeah, that's the hair and makeup. But I'm gonna be using, I just use a brown lip liner and then the e.l.f. lip gloss to make it cute. Okay. Super beautiful, super cute. I have 2 options for the top. It is pretty cold outside, so I don't know if I want to wear this white Nike hoodie. Oh, I just hit myself. So it's either this white Nike hoodie or this brown like crop cardigan type of thing. And then for the bottoms, I'm gonna be wearing some baggy jeans from Fashion Nova. They're just really baggy, really wide leg. And then these are the shoes. The reason why I pulled out the brown cardigan was because I do want to wear my UGG, the Ultra Mini Uggs. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with these. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the outfit to see what I like the best. And then for today's set, this is what I'm gonna be using. And that is pretty much it. Oh, and I'm wearing jewelry. All my jewelry is from Pandora. So let me get dressed and then I'll show you guys the finished look.